on this edition of the AUDIOZONE channel.
What up, y'all? It's your boy Jay Cruz, aka the AUDIOZONE. Another day, another video for you guys, man. I always thank you guys for the support, first of all, for the love you guys are giving this channel, man. We're almost at 17K. I want to excuse myself for not vlogging as much as I normally do. We're really tied up with a lot of things going on in the shop, going on at home, going on in my personal life. So, you know, it takes a lot of time, get home and make videos and edit them and so on. But we'll try to get back on the grind and give you guys the content, man, that we're dealing with. Today we have a special build, man. It's actually going to be a 2016 Dodge Challenger HELLCAT, as you can see. And what this one came in for, he wanted to get the wide body kit done, but he wanted to get it done with the OEM kit. So we have today, the guys are beginning the process of getting this mocked up. Reason we took this piece off was to get the paint match. Got the paint match done. Now we're getting ready to install the stencils and get this going so we can install the wide body kit. So I'm gonna put the camera on the other side here and just vlog us beginning to get the mock-ups and ready to get it going for this install of the OEM wide body kit. Stay tuned. Y'all, so this is what we got going on in this car. The cuts are beginning to get cut down, so you can see what's going on when you do the modifying. So if this panel comes on, as you can see, we want to get the cuts done, and that's how Dodge cuts it out, or for the modification purpose, because that's how they cut it out. And we got this side also done. True. So on this car, you can see that what we did, we got the cuts, and this is the bracket that comes into it. In fact, I think the one going for the other side. I'm going to show you some of the obstacles you're going to run to. I already got this one done, but I'm going to show you the other side. What are some of the obstacles you're going to deal with, and I'm going to show you why these obstacles. In fact, Josh, you know what? Grab this camera here. That's Josh Cruel.
Pro 1.
Gonna show us. Watch this. So this one going on, y'all. When you guys get this here, you're gonna run to this obstacle of trying to get this panel to come in here, right? To fit into the position, and it's not gonna fit. I'm gonna tell you right now, because these pieces here have to go through these pieces here. And if you look very closely, you see that it's kind of together like a gooey stuff in there. So we have to literally get our blade and come in here and cut this down. That one's already separated, and the same thing I gotta do back here now. Now what that did, that separated the two. Do you see here? There's two metals. There's the fender that you see. So you got one metal here and one metal here. But this bracket has to go in between these two metals, because we just made a slice to put it in. I'll show you guys now what I'm talking about. You gotta play with it a little bit. You see I can slide it in between there now? See that, guys? That's what I'm talking about. So now I can move this around and start getting all this situated. Gotta play with it. Got it in.
Looks like you're really fighting with it.
You gotta fight with it. There we go. I got it to slide into pieces. Now you can start doing the alignment or whatever else, but it's already where I can just shuffle in between. You see this? Like a card. Now I can just bring it in and then let the technicians do the adjustments of what they need to get it done. That's already in there. So at this point in time, this part's done. Now we're gonna start popping holes and doing the rest, but we do have this bracket's in. Now we have to continue to the front to get this going. So stay tuned, y'all.
Not gonna lie, I like it when it does part of the work for me.
This edition, man, we got the wide body, you can see, already installed. They got it there just for the security of the clips and everything to be good. We put some adhesive behind the clips to make sure they don't come loose without a problem. But we definitely did also do the inside liners, you could tell. Completely done OEM. Everywhere around, completely done OEM. The rear ones, OEM liners installed in the car. And then this one also OEM. So now we have an OEM wide body kit done on this car. This guy could be very, very excited to see this car. I just spoke to him on the phone, so he's adding more work to this, but he got to take delivery of it tomorrow. We're going to be doing some DLRs. We're going to be doing some other stuff for him. So inlet tube and something else that he'll bring next week for that. So that's a good thing. We get great opportunity to serve our customers and our clients, man. So I'm very excited for that. We're going to get you the delivery video on this car and have this delivered. Meanwhile, on that note, let me show you some other stuff we got going on. We have this beautiful OEM wide body kit that came in, and we're actually doing on this one some custom lighting and stuff for this young man. Self-made tray. Y'all saw the video when he dropped off the car, but this is where I want to take y'all to, so stay tuned. What up, Cruise Crew? This is day 2 on this wide body build. As you can see, they're getting everything going and situated right now. He's actually got the little fender wells inside already installed. He's got the whole wide body done installed. He's getting it all cleaned up and doing what he got to do there. Working on this side, doing all the little final details. Adolfo is the king of wide bodies, and he's actually in the process of getting this one in there, putting the wheel wells, and they're going to start doing the front end that they're doing here. But as you could tell, he's rocking and rolling. So pretty soon we'll have this car set up for the customer and get it delivered, get a smiley face, and move on. We got this HELLCAT. I'll give you guys an update. This car's been here for about 2-3 weeks maybe now. We ordered a part from Dodge Direct Connect for the wide body for the OEM of the vehicle. Well, when they send the car, they usually come in a big crate. And when the crate didn't come in, they gave us pieces because supposedly the crate was too big for the location. They put it in basically a pile. So we picked it up from them. We got it here to the shop. It's missing pieces. Emailed Matt a couple times, which is my guy at Freedom. And he actually aware me that the part just got there on Friday, but they're still missing the templates. So I spoke to the customer, I told him, listen, it's going to be a couple more days. I told him to take the car to get to enjoy his car, and then he could bring it in when the template's here, so there's no need of having dead time. This could be an OEM wide body kit built on this car here. True, so in the finale of this beautiful OEM wide body kit that we installed in this beautiful Dodge HELLCAT, shout out to the owner of the car for giving us a chance of being able to serve him on this car. But obviously we know it's an OEM kit, so it's a little bit different than the rest. This is all the factory cuts, and it got the plastic liners inside. That is an OEM chin. The whole wide body kit is completely OEM. Same thing you can see back here. And what we did is to pair this up, we did the wheel spacers on the OEM tires, so you have the nice factory look. Well, these are 1.5 spacers that we use here in the shop. They are billet, because they're a little bit stronger than your regular cheapy ones, but that takes care of all that. On top of that, we also did him a custom kit where he has dual halos. So he has the regular halos, but he also has the internal halo here that you see there. And you can actually see right here, inside this right here is strobing the demon eye. Gosh, so you put that as the solid color for the demon eye because they can see something. I like that strobe feature. There goes red, there goes green, so now you can see the demon eye. So let's put it into a red. Let's put the demon eye into a red. Now we got the red demon eye, then we have the outer halo and the inner halo on this beautiful build, and this is kind of what he will be looking like, what he will be doing. Yeah, let's go put in perspective for them. So you see you got a red and a green there. So he has the outer halos, the inner halo, and the demon eye. But that actually looks very good. Shout out to Josh for all the work on his beautiful table that he's gonna clean up now and get it glowing. And we're gonna get the guys to actually clean up here now that we have a little break. So I know he'd be very happy and ecstatic with his build. We'll get you the finale of this video with the customer picking up the vehicle, so stay tuned. All right, Cruise Crew, with the finale of this beautiful build from Mr. Julio, man. He brought the car, he saw videos, came by the shop, got an OEM kit on the vehicle. It's funny because that car, if you look at it, y'all, it looks almost just like mine, man. You know what I'm saying? So it's kind of like a flashback thing, but it was definitely a pleasure and honor to do it. We got everything I showed you guys in the video, the lights and all that done. He's waiting for some inlet tubes to come in. They're on back order. The LED came in, but the tube itself did it, so waiting for that to come in and then complete that build. This is Mr. Julio here on YouTube today. What you want to tell everybody on YouTube? He's highfalutin too. Don't start.
All right, guys. Yo, come see my man, AUDIOZONE, right here, AUDIOZONE. Come check them out. They do the job, bro. The car speaks for itself. So, I'm pretty sure you guys gonna see it later, but check it out. This is the man for the. If you need the wide body, come check out my boy right here.
Man, we appreciate that a lot. I really appreciate it.
I hope you get to enjoy your car. Hey, and I'm not trying to jinx you, but I'm going to tell you something. Your tires in the back are summer tires. Let me tell you what that means. That means when you hit that 707, the car's going to ski everywhere you go. Yeah. So I'm telling you this is a warning, because me and Josh and the team have seen it 1,000 times. They'll leave with summer tires and call me a week later. Listen, bro, I lost control of my car. In fact, the guy with the CTS, he had summer tires in his car. He totaled his car. He ran into a truck, then ran into a wall, and then got hit by another truck. I'm not wishing that upon you. What I'm telling you is to be careful, because your setup is not for the street. So just be careful, but enjoy it, man. It's a beautiful build. When we do a car meet, I'm going to send you an invitation personally. You come out and chill with us, man. I want to always thank you for watching, man, and thank you for the support. Thank you, man. Man, he's going to go enjoy his car. Now his wife's going to be mad, because now he ain't going to be home too much, but it is what it is.
You know what? It's been a great day. Really busted our tails today to do what we do, but we got it done, man. So I'm going to end this video always telling you thank you guys for watching. Always thank you guys for the support. Stay tuned as you can start seeing all the completion of these builds. I'm bringing you a day-to-day of the shop and what's going on here, and y'all just start to see the cars come out as they come out, man. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Y'all be good and God bless.